Guys, today we're having a look at the Red Moon Parcels box. It's a period or end of once a month type of box where you get your sanitary supplies for the month and a few little treats to help you feel better during this trying time that we all go through as females. So let's jump in. This is a little pamphlet for the Yarra Mist Therapeutic Room Spray, so there must be one of these inside. And a little thank you note from Red Moon saying, "We hope this parcel makes you smile and your week just a little bit better." Enjoy. Let's jump in. Ooh, nice and bright. Alright, we'll start with the chocolate. We have one block of Loving Earth Salted Caramel Swayze. It's a salted caramel chocolate on a dark truffle layer. I would open this, but I've still got to take some still shots, so I'll leave it sealed for now. But check our written review to see the still shots of what the inside of the chocolate looks like. Gotta love chocolate. Alright, next up we have some tea tonic tea bags. We've got a couple of berry green tea, a berry different green tea. We have 3 of the relaxation tea, calming the mind, body and soul. And we have 2 of the turmeric, beetroot and ginger tea. Wow, that's different. To recover, repair and restore. I might just have a quick look at one of these. Yeah, so they're just your standard tea bag. Easy for anyone to use. Wow. Alright, next up we have a Thank Goat clay mask to detox and purify. Goat's milk based face mask for cleansing troublesome and oily skin with charcoal, willow bark extract and Dead Sea mud. I love a good face mask. So you want to apply the mask, leave it on for 8 minutes and then gently wash off with warm water. What female does not love a face mask? Okay, next up we have our Yarra Mist Remedial Room Spray. Relaxing. It's got the scents of lavender, cedarwood, geranium and frankincense. It's quite a big bottle. It has a calming effect on the mind and body and helps relieve anxiety, mood swings and promotes a restful sleep. Locally made and poured in the Yarra Valley using 100% pure and natural certified organic oils. Shake before use. Quite generous. Alright, here we have another little treat. We have 2 sea salt truffles from Alter Eco. Again, I won't open these until I've taken some images, so check out our written review with images to see what these look like on the outside. I might even bite one in half and do a half shot. And the main thing, so each month when you order the box, you can order whether you want sanitary pads, tampons, what size, you can pick 2. So this month I picked 2 of the regular tampons. These are organic tampons from Suno. I've seen these in a couple of other boxes. I think they must be a very good brand. I'm pretty sure these guys give back to women in need, because as we know, around the world there are a lot of people missing a week of school and such because they have to use old leaves and rags for sanitary items, which in this day and age is pretty terrible. Can you imagine? So it says on the back here that 50% of Suno's profits are donated to charities focusing on women. They started in 2014. What a great idea. So yeah, here we've got our 2 boxes of sanitary items. And I think that's it. Rather a big box. They could have made the box a little bit smaller, but hopefully in coming months it'll be a little bit more jam-packed to fill up the box. Anywho, thanks for tuning in guys. See you on our next review. Bye.